Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Kombucha Whiskey Sour on the Christmas Spectacular. As you can see here in a glass, I have added a lime wedge. Now we're going to add a couple of ice cubes. And then we're going to add a shot of whiskey. Use any type you want. I used Jim Beam to be specific. And then you want at least 4.5 ounces of kombucha. I went with a kind of a lemonade kombucha. Give it a quick stir around. And that's it. A kombucha whiskey sour. Done.